Channel, the Car Guy Channel. My name is Mike Hennessy. This show is all about cars and all four car guys. Get yourself a cold beer. Get yourself a cold beer, guys, because our show is... Yeah! We are smoking! Hey, welcome to the Car Guy Channel. We got a fantastic show. Like I say all the time, I say it every week, because a lot of times we have a fantastic show. But the show is so spectacular is because of the classic Chevy Car Club puts on their yearly toy drive. And I'm telling you guys, that show hit the mark. It was one of the best shows all year long. And I'm telling you, we kept asking, how many cars, how many cars? They're coming in so fast. You guys will see all the clips of all the cars. I asked Dennis, I asked Marlene, hey, how many cars we got? 300, 325, 370. During 10 o'clock, there was well over 400 cars. And I mean 400 of the various top cars. We had people from, we had people from Australia come in, not to the show, but people from Australia came in, ran into them, and they loved it. We got people from Buttonwillow actually drove out and put their cars on display. So you guys hit the mark and hit a home run on that particular show. We got Car of the Week, a Camaro we've been building. I'm telling you, the car looks fantastic. You guys are going to see Santa. We got Roller Girls. Hey guys, there's two things you don't touch. Don't touch any of these cars in the show, and definitely don't touch that dial.
Well, that'll be the day when you say goodbye, yes, that'll be the day when you make me cry. You say you're gonna leave, you know it's a lie, 'cause that'll be the day. Hey, when I die, well, you give me all your loving and your turtle doving, all your hugs and kisses and your money too. Well, you know you love me, baby, still you tell me maybe that someday, well, I'll be Richard, darling. Oh, Richard, darling. Where are you, my lover? I was wrong, but you would try, but you would not do. Well, that my lover was just for you. Only you.
My darling, I need you.
You can swing it, you can groove it, you can really start to move it at the hop. Where the jockeys are the smoothest and the music is the coolest at the hop. Do the dance sensation that's swinging the nation at the hop. Let's go! Let's go to the hop. Let's go to the hop. Let's go to the hop. Let's go to the hop.
She's real fine, my 409. She's real fine, my 409, my 409.